What's up, Zach? Number 2. All right, here we go. Good luck, Freeman. One box of 2019 Leaf Flash Baseball. 6 autograph cards per box. I didn't see you cook up anything today, Zach. What happened? All right, we got Isaiah Campbell. Foundations. 4 of 50. Tomorrow, yeah. George Kirby. The Mariners. 2 of 50. Nico Horner for the Cubs. Nice. 23 of 50. Jordan jersey number. Nathan Patterson for the Athletics. 7 of 10. Orange. Joe Ryan. Remember what team he's on? Rays or something. And Andrew Vaughn for the White Sox. Joe Ryan's not numbered. Andrew Vaughn's not going to be numbered either. Right in Adam's face. Draft football. Last I checked, draft football was over $200 for a hobby box. Got leaf metal draft, Aaron. But it'd be $40 instead of the $24 or $25 we were doing it at earlier. Alright, box number 1. Nick Nelson. Not numbered. Nick Nelson. Corey Lee for the Astros. 21 of 50. Logan Wyatt for the Giants. 38 of 50. Trey Fletcher for the Cardinals. Base auto. Green. Zach Watson for the Orioles. Really? Damn. 40 per person, yeah. That's crazy. 5 of 15. And Julio Rodriguez for the Mariners. Purple. 1 of 25. Not happy about that, Julio? Julio? Oh. Finish it? All right. Last one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, the Bowman Chrome is missing. $65 for the Hulu? Nice. Now we got Alec Marsh for the Royals. 8 of 50. Brady McConnell for the Royals. Flash forward. Autograph. Ryan Jensen for the Cubs. Green. 1 of 15. Joshua Mears for the Padres. Not numbered. Joey Bart for the Giants. And Jordan Alvarez, 2019 AL Rookie of the Year. 9 of 25. You gotta find me Brent if you want to do. Thank you, Freeman. Appreciate it, sir.